This is the introduction to cold showers. So really quickly, the goal with cold showers is to challenge your body on a extreme temperature. So the way to jump or start into this is anything below 65 degrees is going to challenge your body. So you can start out jumping into the shower and turn it down maybe halfway or on the cold setting to kind of get this adaptation. And then you can progress it over time. So if you start halfway, you can drop it down a little bit over, a week or weeks or months. Another thing is you can start out with 15 seconds. Your body gets stimulated, the hormones get activated very quickly. So you can hop into the cold for 15 seconds and then hop out, and you can do rounds of that. Or you can do 15 on cold and then turn it up to hot, and then 15 seconds, kind of get reset, and then turn it back down to cold. So progress it over time. You can start out really short, it's okay, and then maybe do a 15-second interval or progression. So 15 seconds the first week, 30 seconds the second week, 45 the third, and 60 seconds the fourth week. And then I usually try to shoot for 3 to 4 times a week. It's just like strength training, just like cardiovascular training. You're trying to challenge your body, and you want to be consistent with it. So I usually do it every other day. And again, you can progress that if you like it, you're getting results, and you want to kind of improve or increase the results. So the underlying things that are happening is your body is getting cold shock proteins. They're getting stimulated. So this triggers certain hormonal responses and adaptations of brown fat cells in your body gets increased. So ideally, we're just trying to challenge stress or create a stimulus to those cold shock proteins in your bodies, your cells, and your skin. And then the thermo challenge, that cold really stimulates or increases your metabolism, and it makes a significant increase in caloric energy expenditure. So when you're doing these cold challenges, you're going to burn a lot of fuel. This is your body's way of warming itself back up. It's going to create a lot of energy. So hopefully this is insightful, and give it a try. Let me know if you have questions.